Good morning, good morning, good morning, my brothers and sisters in Trading Hustle. How are you doing? Did you have a good day trading yesterday? I did. I did. There is a question I saw yesterday that I want to answer. Can I check this quickly? Okay, someone said he doesn't understand the lines that I draw. So, in response to that, my red lines are okay. Firstly, there's nothing particular about them, they are just my personal reminder. The red are for my daily time frame, the green for my 4 hour time frame, and the blue for my lower time frame. And my lower time frame is from 4 hour downwards. Why do I use this? I use this because as a day trader, I mainly dwell in the lower time frame. But then having these lines just helps me know where I am per time. So on the lower time frame, whenever price is moving, I'm able to easily know, because if I have the same trend lines, you know how trading is. In the moment, you're carried away with in the moment and stuff. So it's my own personal way of creating a system that helps me keep track of where I am and where price is at per time. I hope this answers your question. So there's nothing major to them besides that. So now I'm on the 4 hour chart right now because we do top down analysis here. I do the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 30 minutes. I'm following the simple 4 hour. There's a way that thing is said. I don't know. Can't remember the word now. Damn. I've never had to use it, but so this is a support on the 4 hour. So I find zones on the daily. I find zones on the daily and 4 hour and lower time frame. So marking them and color coding them just helps me aware at all times without me having to go back and forth. So it really helps. Believe that. Oh my, these lines are so long. You know me, I don't like these long lines, but let's not allow this video go long by adjusting them. I usually make my lines short because a neat chart makes me see clearer. I'm sorry, I will always say I will do this later, but while I'm speaking, I find myself still doing it. I like it neat. I see clearer. For me, it's just like a bedroom. When your bedroom is messy, you don't see things. You'll be looking for stuff around, you don't know where they are. You don't know where they are because why? Everywhere is just messy. So I try to make whatever as short as possible to enable me see clearer. So right now, on the lower time frame, we have a resistance here. And now this resistance, so again, to the person who asked this question, I know that this resistance is just a lower time frame resistance, and I know that there's a higher time frame resistance not far. In fact, in the higher time frame, we are already in the resistance zone. So I'm able to keep those things in mind, that even if this resistance should break on the lower time frame, I know that there is a higher time frame resistance to deal with where price could easily what? Reverse. I hope I have answered that, and I hope it helps you. I would say, you see, this thing about trading, it's not about, you don't just go into trusting yourself, You don't just go into trusting yourself. You create a system. You build trust in a system, and you work with that system. I repeat that. You don't just do trading by trusting yourself. You create a system that you trust over time due to the results of that system. And you trust that system enough to follow it for it to be your guide, period. So this is where we are at. What are we looking at here? Oof. This is looking to me like a trend line situation. So this is one of the rare moments you will see me pull up a trend line. Because see the way this is going, you can see that it's been, hey, One of those complicated moments on the chart anyway. Take out that trend line. It did not work. Sometimes I try to incorporate trend lines into my support and resistance trading. I do, but yeah, the moment it doesn't make me feel the way I want to feel, I just get out of there. So I'm just trying to observe, let it sink in. If you've seen our videos for the first time, when I do these things, it's the first time I'm seeing the chart just like you. So, so you understand that when I'm mumbling, I'm trying to figure out, trying to understand what I am seeing. One thing I don't like about this kind of movement is that I'm unable to find a swing low. You know, okay, yeah, obviously we can. This is like the swing low here because this is where price broke. This is where price broke. So I don't think I'm going to sell in any of these areas. And why am I not going to sell in any of these areas? Give me a minute. Let me sip. I'm not going to say what I'm drinking because it's going to be free marketing. And one day I said something on TradingView that affected me because I record these videos for both. So I have to mind what I'm saying so it can work for both platforms. So I am not going to sell in this zone. Why? Because there are too many areas for price to reject. This is a support. This looks like a support. This entire region right here, it looks like a support. See that? Looks like a support. So where is price gonna, if we sell from here, price could bounce from here. Price could bounce from even right here. You can even though it is weak because there are not a lot of candles, this right here could also be called a resistance that has been broken, right? So because of that, there's too many hiccups, there's too many zones. I am not going to sell in this area no matter what happens. If I get price pushed down, again, the reasons for these candlesticks, sorry, for the color coding, I have this zone right here on the lower time frame, and I have this zone right here on the higher time frame. Obviously, the higher time frame is stronger than the lower time frame, right? This is 4 hours. So by the time price is coming to this zone, I'm not just going to jump into an impulse entry saying, okay, price is coming to pick up, because I know that this place is not strong enough. So I would wait to see if price gets here and break. Now, if price breaks here, it's also not going to convince me to sell. Why? Okay, firstly, hold up. Yeah, short range. If price gets here and breaks, it's not going to convince me to sell because I know that there's a higher time frame resistance, a support here. So this color coding helps me think of them, see it, and just know it is. If everything was blue, if everything was the same color, while I'm in this 30 minutes, I might not even know exactly what is going on. You understand? So it's good when we ask questions like that because it enables us to interact. Because for me, the best lectures are not even, yes, I post videos every now and then giving lectures, but those are not the best lectures. The best lectures are answering questions of what people struggle with per time. Oh, TradingView, unfortunately, when you see it post, I'm not ignoring. There's actually a video. My face is showing, but it's just that I can't do both. Show my face on TradingView and on the screen recording I'm using for YouTube. So apologies if it gets boring when you just see me talking and nothing is going on. Maybe we should have subtitle on TradingView. So back to the point. If price pushes down to this zone, I'll wait to see a confirmation. If I get a bullish confirmation from here, I would buy because from here we have what? A good 500 pip range. However, my quality trade, one quality trade for today will be if price pushes down here. Now look at this again. I just spotted this. This is another zone right here. Actually, 507. Let's see what it looks like on the 4 hours. Man, this video is getting so long. Yeah, look at it right here. It's actually a zone on the 4 hour. Can you see that? Right here. Let me do it this. Right here. I missed it. There. So let's go back. I will have to color code it green because it's a zone on the 4 hour. Good. Very good. Very good. So if price comes here, I will be skeptical. But if I see a confirmation I could buy from here, there's only 500 pips range, which is not bad. But if it pushes further down and gives a confirmation from here, I could buy. Pushes down to the zone, it gives a confirmation I could buy. If it pushes down here, confirmation, buy. Also, remember there's news today, so watch out. However, if price should, what's the range here? It's very short, very short. Let's see, right here. This could be a good position to sell if price breaks into this zone. Why? Because on this side, there's a clean range. So if price breaks into this zone and close, I could sell here and continue here, or even add positions. And if it breaks and close, we could sell here as well. But bullish confirmation, we could buy from there. Oh my God, 10 minutes video. I don't do this long. Anyway, I hope we're all confirmed. But however, if price pushes and breaks above this zone, if it closes above, I could buy from here. Why? Because this side is quite clean. It's a wick. So there's just a wick rejection here. So if price should close above, I could enter this trade to see how far we can go. I hope I've covered everything. Spent too much time talking. That'll be all for now. Let's go do Nasdaq. Peace out, people. Have a beautiful day trading. Cheers.